You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Welcome to the Paulie Detmers channel. I'm Paulie Detmers. In this video, I'm going to make the official Flint style pizza. Hey Detmers, I thought you already did the Flint style pizza. Yes, but that was 1.0, remember? There's revisions to be made, and that is what I did. That's what's happening in this video. Pretty good. So let's check it out. Right here, right now. So here we are with the pizza crust. Very nice. It's a little thinner than the Detroit style, and I think the Flint style here is better than the Detroit style on that matter. Yeah, I partially cooked it 8 minutes, 500 degrees, and it's a champion. Now we have the cheese. Detroit has, I should say the Detroit style has the Wisconsin brick. Guess what? Flint has the Monterey Jack. And the Monterey Jack complements this type of pizza in a pan very nicely. You gotta make sure you get it on the outside of that crust if you got any spaces there. Otherwise you just pile it up on the edges. Very good. Gotta get it all in there. That was a half pound. Now, we have pepperoni. Pepperoni, a lot of road references here. Pepperoni represents those manhole covers that are either sticking out too far or they're sunk into the road too much. Either way, you're gonna feel it when you drive over them. Got some of the worst roads in Michigan in this area. Oh, here we go. We have the potholes. I know they're a little bit smaller, quite a bit smaller than those manhole covers, but it's representation. And yeah, these potholes, we're putting them in there, trying to do 2 straight lines, but you know, it doesn't matter. This will help that guy that got a DUI to walk that straight line. All he has to do is walk on these 2 lines. I'll work on this. It'll be better in future Flint style pizza making.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
But black olives is a must. Gotta have them potholes in there. Someone said I should call them bullet holes. It ain't that bad here. Now we're gonna go with the American cheese because American cheese is a staple here in Flint. And yeah, the jagged edges, no mistake, that's part of the plan. Now we gotta get some green in there because everybody driving around here is smoking this stuff. Also, everybody worries about the grass, so the green represents that too. It doesn't matter what you put on there as long as it's green. In this case, jalapeno peppers. Now I'm putting on a pizza sauce from a squirt bottle, and that really represents nothing. It's just pizza sauce. Then we're going to go with a little black pepper. No symbolic meanings here. We just got it on there. And then we're going to put some Italian seasoning on there. We'll just call that fertilizer for that grass. Into the oven, the Flint style goes. 550 degrees, 8 minutes. Doing this one in the household kitchen oven. I need to clean that oven because wait till you see what happens when I open it up after I cook it. Nothing dangerous, but look at that. I need to get in there and clean that baby. And I will very soon. But look at that sizzle on the Flint style. It's like a hot summer day and you could almost cook an egg on that sidewalk. Beautiful. Looking good. We're going to put a little shaker cheese on there. Shaker cheese is a must here in the Genesee County. And it makes it taste good. Let's get this sucker out of this bed because it needs to wake up and feed me. Oh, gotta get that hot pad out of there. I knew it was there. Now let's take a gander at this Flint style pizza, the official Flint style pizza. So there you have it. It's the official Flint style pizza. Much like Big Brother, but Flint is always trying to keep up with Detroit. I don't know if too many people here would appreciate this pizza in the Flint area because they do have a lot of pride in the city, and I understand that. I know too much negative representation on this pizza, but man, it's a good pizza, so don't hate me, folks. And I'll see y'all later.